Hey guys, it's Tanoa. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below so that you never miss a new video from me. And yeah, honestly, I don't know why I keep doing voiceovers. Like, I really don't enjoy doing voiceovers. But anyways, here we are. So I started off with freshly washed hair, and my hair is so thick. Those little tiny clips that you see, they did not want to hold my hair together. I had to add another one. But anyways, so this is the heat protectant that I am using. It's the Gold series by Pantene, and honestly it's the only heat protectant that I will ever use because it always just gets the job done right, you know. But yeah, I started off spraying the heat protectant directly onto my hair, but quickly realized that that was hard. That was really hard to do. So I just sprayed it on my hands, rubbed it together, and just applied it on my hair, and that made it a lot more easier to do. But yeah, I went ahead with my little blow dryer, and it honestly took me, I think, about 30 minutes, so 15 minutes on each side to blow dry my entire head, which isn't that long, to be honest. And yeah, I tried to get as straight as I could without using excessive heat. And yeah. But also, y'all, please do not mind my ashy little hands in this video. Like, I had just gotten out the shower. I don't know why I didn't put lotion on before, but I did it. So just pretend like you don't see them, you know. They just there. Just pretend like you don't see them. So after the whole little 30 minutes of me blow drying my hair, this is how my hair is looking like. I did go over it one more time with the blow dryer to just get out all the little crinkles from the twist that I did. But other than that, this is how my hair is looking like. I would say it's a nice little foundation. I did end up messing it up, you know, which you will see in a little bit. But yeah, I would say this foundation is pretty good. As far as my ends aren't that bad. They're not the greatest, but they're also not the worst. So I did end up doing a little trim, not something a little light, you know. But yeah, this is the foundation that I am starting off with. And honestly, here is where I messed up. Like, I don't know why I added so much heat protectant onto my hair. I was just kind of scared. It had been like, I think, almost 4 years since I had straightened my hair. So I was a little, you know, scared of heat damage and stuff like that. So I added more heat protectant, but the heat protectant is kind of like, it's basically water, to be honest. So it kind of reverted my hair just a little bit. And towards the front, it reverted my hair a lot, but I still kept straightening it, which is why my hair turned out the way that it did. But yeah, nonetheless, I did add more heat protectant onto my hair. And this is what is it called? The hair straightener. Sorry. This is the hair straightener that I'm using. I set it to 410 degrees. So I can get it as straight as I could in one pass. I didn't want to do more than one pass because, again, I was kind of scared, y'all. I was kind of scared of heat damage. But the next time I straighten my hair, I know for a fact that I'm not going to continuously put heat protectant on my hair because it's gonna revert my hair. I learned that the hard way. And two, you know, I will still like keep doing it at the temperature. I feel like the temperature 410 is a good little temperature for me. Like, my hair didn't react badly, and no, I did not get heat damage. But yeah, other than that, if I didn't, look at me, added more heat protectant when I don't need it. But if I didn't keep like adding heat protectant, my hair would have been bone straight. It's just, I don't know why, but I kept adding heat protectant, which was the cause of my downfall. As you can see here, my hair is a little puffy, like it's straight, but it's not bone straight to the point that I would want it to be. And this is how my hair is looking like after I had fully straightened it. It's kind of puffy, but it's not half bad. It did get a lot more puffier by the end of the video. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna trim it just a little bit. I know it seems like I'm always trimming my hair, but I promise y'all, I'm not. I'm just kind of like trying to do what I need to do to keep my ends looking good, because they weren't, like I said, they weren't, horrible, but they were in need of a trim. And you will see that. I'm going to show you in a little bit of how they looked. But yeah, I just did a little 1-2 of a trim just to get my hair, right. And yeah, that was basically it. So I wasn't really feeling the middle part too much, so I decided to try to do a side part, but I just kept messing up my hair. But yeah, you guys, this is basically it for this video. Yeah, this was a fail, but you know what? It wasn't like a horrible fail, it was like a mid fail. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.